Hello everyone, welcome to my first video ever on YouTube. My name is Astrid. I am an interior designer based in London. For the construction part, I work mainly in association with Andre from Hiquality Ltd. For this project, which is a one-bedroom flat, my initial task was to renovate the bathroom which had burned down. However, my client wanted to take advantage of this to optimize her space and gain light. I decided to swap the bathroom closest to the dining area with the kitchen next to the bedroom. I knocked down the old bathroom wall to create an open-plan kitchen where the daylight spreads through the room. Here the before and now the after. Storage has been made to order by Hiquality. Look at how the lights flows all over the room. Here the before and now the after. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and follow us as well on Instagram. See you soon!